Dear students, today we are going to develop a wonderful application, that is ATM application using Python. Jump into the application development. All of you know that ATM will give you the three chances to enter the PIN number correctly. If you fail to enter the PIN number correctly within these three chances, you will lose the chance to access your account. So that is the first module we are going to develop, and check the functionality of the full application. I have given right PIN number. Here I displayed the options, credit, debit, balance, exit. Now I am checking the balance. B I entered. Now I am going to credit the amount. For that I am entering the C within the single quotes because it is the string. So enter the amount. I am entering the amount. It is 1000 rupees. Already 5000 is the balance. Now 1000 is it is 6000. And one more time, it is now I am going to perform the operation debit. I wanted to debit 5000 rupees from 6000. Yes, it is 1000 is the balance, debited successfully. One more time I am performing the same operation, debit operation. Here it is only 1000 is the balance. Now I am trying to access 2000, insufficient balance. So balance amount is less than the withdrawal amount. So when we are developing the debit module, we need to check this. And credit, one more time I am crediting 2000 rupees. Already 1000 is the balance. Now it is 3000. And finally, one more time balance, I am checking the balance. The balance is 3000. Balance is 3000. For exit, enter E. By entering E, you can exit from the application. So we are going to develop the code now. First I am taking the class, that is bank. Class name is. After that, taking the variable, it is balance. By default it is 5000 I am entering. And the first function, it is login function. It is accepting parameter PIN. If the PIN is 111 statically I am mentioning it is, I am returning true, else I am returning false. And one more function, that is a credit. It is accepting the crediting amount as a parameter, and I am adding that amount to the balance amount. Self.balance is plus is equal to AMT. And debit is debiting the amount, means balance minus amount. And next one, it is display. Display is for balance inquiry. So I am displaying the current balance. Now I am creating an object for the bank class, that is obj, and I am taking one variable, that is flag. By default it is false. I am using for loop to count number of trials for entering the PIN number 1 to 4, excluding 4, so that it is 1, 2, 3. If obj.login, I am entering the PIN number and I am converting it into the integer because input is in string format. If it is true, login is true, then I am assigning flag with true. And if a flag means, if a flag is true, then I am writing while to repeatedly perform the transactions. Here I am providing the options for press C for credit, press D for debit, press B for balance, press E for exit. If O is equal to C, maybe it is the capital C or small c, I am calling the credit function. I am entering the credit here and converting it into integer. After credit, total amount is, just I am calling the balance inquiry module, that is obj.display. If the selected option is D, then I am entering the amount and I am converting that amount into the integer. And just before performing the operation, I'm just checking amount is less than balance or not. Yes, if it is less than the balance, then I'm calling the debit function by passing the parameter AMT, amount. After debit, total amount is obj.display. If amount is less than greater than obj.balance, then what happens? Insufficient balance it is. Insufficient balance. And then obj.display, insufficient balance, so I am displaying the balance. If the selected option is balance inquiry, so total balance is simply just call that balance inquiry module, that is obj.display. If it is else if it is then it is exit, call the exit function, predefined function, exit of 0. Else, this else is for this if flag is false, then we will come into this else part. Your pin code attempt has been completed. So this is what the application code is. Now just go and check the functionality. Enter the pin number 111. Yes, first is balance and next one it is, I'm selected as credit. 1000 amount credited to the balance amount. It is 5000 plus 1000, 6000. One more time, I'm performing the operation, that is debit. Enter the amount. Amount is 5000. 6000 minus 5000. If you check the balance, it is 1000. Yes, successfully our application is working. One more operation, that is debiting. Try to debit amount of 2000 rupees. Only balance is 1000. So check here, it is insufficient balance. Yes, perfectly our application is working. Now credit the amount one more time. Credit some amount. Amount is something, it is 2000. Already balance is 1000 plus 2000, it is 3000. 3000. Good. Successfully executing. One more time, check the balance. Balance is 3000. Like this, you can perform the operations as you like based on your requirement. To exit the application, just enter the E. So this is what the application is, ATM application using Python code. Thank you so much.